Today, we're looking at Stargate. As you might know, FTX, a big crypto exchange, bought all the coins on the initial DEX offering of Stargate, in short, the IDO. This is huge, and Stargate price is going up and up so far. With over $2.9 billion in total value locked in just a week, this protocol looks interesting, and today, you will learn everything you need to know about Stargate and hang tight, because I will reveal if it's a good place to invest in or not. That's what I will cover. What is Stargate? My professional review of this protocol. Is Stargate a good project? AV here back again with an in-depth review of a new crypto project, Stargate. Please give this video a thumbs up to support the channel, and without further ado. Well, you might be asking, what is Stargate? Stargate is a fully composable liquidity transport protocol that lives at the heart of Omnichain DeFi. With Stargate, users and dApps can transfer native assets cross-chain while accessing the protocol's unified liquidity pools with instant guarantee finality. And Stargate is a community-driven organization building the first fully composable native asset bridge and the first dApp built on Layer 0, which is an omni-chain interoperability protocol. Stargate is built from the same team from Layer 0, or at least the same founder. Stargate's vision is to make cross-chain liquidity transfer a seamless, single-transaction process. The transfer part is where you can swap one-to-one native assets cross-chain, accessing Stargate's unified liquidity pools. The pools are where you can add liquidity to Stargate's Omnichain protocol and earn stablecoin rewards on every Stargate transfer. The farms are where you can earn STG, which is their main token, and become a member of the Stargate community, and earn up to 23% on your stablecoins. Then the staking section, which will be coming soon, is where you will be able to lock STG tokens to receive STG, which is Stargate's governance token. Why is Stargate different? Stargate is the first bridge to solve the bridging trilemma. Existing bridges are forced to make trade-offs on the following core bridge features: instant guarantee finality. Users and applications can trust that when they successfully commit a transaction on the source chain, it will arrive on the destination chain. Native assets. Users and applications swap in native assets as opposed to wrapped assets that require additional swaps to acquire the desired asset and corresponding fees. Unified liquidity. Shared access of a single liquidity pool across multiple chains creates deeper liquidity for users and applications that trust in the bridge's reliability. Okay, so now I will do a deep review on Stargate, rating the project from 1 to 10 to see if it's actually a good project or not. I hope you enjoy this review. Let's start with the audit. Stargate is audited by QuantStamp, one of the leader in blockchain security. One high-risk issue was resolved, but 2 medium-risk issues are not resolved, only acknowledged. And there are 7 low-risk issues that are not resolved. I give 0.7 to 5 points because it's audited, but not a full point because there are 2 medium-risk issues in the code. Let's check the charts. STG is Stargate main token with a current price of $2.8 and a total supply of 1 billion tokens. We see here on the chart that the price is trending up so far. It's great. I give a full point. Then here you can see the allocations. Basically 17.5% to the team, another 17.5% to the investors, 65% to the Stargate community. You can read more on their docs. Is the team anonymous? Well, we don't know much about the team behind. However, the founder is known to the public. His name is Brian, and he participated in the Avalanche Summits, so we know who he is. That is good. I give a full point. Do they have a strong community? Over 19,000 followers on Twitter. It will be well over 20K when this video is out. Really good engagement. The number of fake followers is low, so all is good. Over 4,600 members on Telegram and over 6,500 members on Discord. And best of all, over $2.9 billion in total value locked, which is absolutely crazy. Full point. Checking the domain name. It's registered on reputable domain website named Cheap. It was registered back in April last year. Remaining infos are masked. I give 0.5 points. Is the product unique? Yes, is because it's the first Omnichain protocol. You transfer native assets cross-chain while accessing the protocol's unified liquidity pools with instant guarantee finality. You can swap one-for-one crypto to another blockchain. For this, I give 1 full point. Is there enough liquidity? There is over $85 million in daily trading volume, over $1.2 million in liquidity. But look at this market cap, $2.8 billion. This was launched a week ago. It's absolutely crazy. Full point. The code analysis. Stargate is rated 0 out of 100 by the automated audit by Token Sniffer. But it's not that bad. Let's check. The ownership is not renounced, which may allow the creator or current owner to modify contract behavior, disable selling, change fees, or mint new tokens. Whether it's renounced or not, both have inconveniences, because if it were renounced, the risk that you're taking is that if there is a bug you did not see, you can't correct the code, and therefore if this bug is huge, they would not be able to correct it, and the project could die. And for the liquidity, we just saw that there are over 1.2 million in liquidity, so all good. But one issue, not enough liquidity is locked or burned, which could allow for significant amounts to be removed. Rug pull risk, but this does not check all the custom locking investing contracts. Here I give 0.75 points. Are there whales that could dump the price? There are over 3,800 holders of STG. Most of the tokens are in smart contracts. It's looking fabulous. I'm happy there are no whales. Full point. What does our AI predict? We've trained an AI using thousands of crypto projects' data that have been launched in the past, and according to our AI, the future of Stargate is positive, meaning it's a good project that has a lot of potential, but this is not financial advice. The AI can be wrong. I give them 1 point for this. So is Stargate really a good project with potential? Out of 10 points, Stargate scored 9. Very impressive score, so it is indeed a good project according to this review. In my opinion, well, I have the same opinion as the rating. There is a strong engineering team behind this project, also as the first project built on Layer 0. Stargate is the first Omnichain protocol. To build Stargate from scratch is extremely difficult, and they were able to build something that no protocol were able to do. Remember to do your own research. This video is not financial advice. Also, the market cap, if you calculate it with the number of tokens and the current price, it's a market cap of around $2.8 billion, but the true current market cap is around $400 million. Please subscribe to support the channel, and see you at the next one.